To our board of directors, to our pastor, to all of our medical staff, our president, our the administration, to all of our nurses, friends, guests, good morning and welcome. First and foremost, I would like to thank our Lord Jesus Christ for making all of this possible. I cannot discount the strength, the willingness, and the confidence it's given us to make this place what it is right now. I would also like to thank the people behind the scenes who work tirelessly day and night just to make this into a reality. 2 years ago, World City Med launched a massive campaign to improve all of its services. Last year, we launched our maternity floor to cater to women who are pregnant or women who want to get pregnant. And we plan to provide a good and extraordinary service to them. This year, we are launching our Pediatric floor to provide this extraordinary service to their children and your children as well. We observed that in the children in hospitals, not just in this hospital, but in many hospitals, that every time they're there, they get anxious, they get uncomfortable, even some of them get scared to the point of crying. This can be found, this can have many reasons, some being fear and some even as simple as them going to a hospital. They get really thinking. So the idea of this place is to provide an environment where they can feel relaxed, comfortable, and happy, even to the point of being playful, while receiving the care and treatment from our medical staff and nurses. So we did so many changes and improvements in the services to make the experience extraordinary and unforgettable. And we did all of this with the notion that we will not add even a single peso to the price of our services. This place caters to children of all ages, even to those who are a child at heart. Kaya kahit sino po, pwede po dito. So therefore, I encourage you, please go around and experience the big care that World City Med provides to your little ones. Thank you and God bless.